Hey, welcome everyone. On today's Vegas Nola Man, my stay at the Golden Nugget, the classiest resort in downtown Las Vegas. This is one of the oldest and most beautiful casinos in Las Vegas. The casino floor is densely packed with rows of slot machines, giving it an old school vibe. There is also a wide variety of cocktail bars to choose from. If you happen to be in the mood for people watching, Troy Liquor Bar, Bar 46, and Stage Bar all offer outdoor seating. The Ultra Chic Ice Bar is a vodka and martini bar that offers up a cool and sleek atmosphere overlooking the pool and Shark Tank. There are many dining options as well, including Vic and Anthony's Steakhouse, steak, seafood, and an extensive wine collection served in a dark, elegant, romantic atmosphere. Chart House is an upscale seafood restaurant that features a 75,000-gallon tropical fish aquarium. Cadillac Mexican Kitchen offers signature Mexican dishes with over 70 varieties of tequila and mezcal. Red Asian Cuisine offers a delicious fusion of Chinese and Japanese flavors, exotic desserts, and premium beverages, including a vast array of sake. Saltgrass is an affordable steakhouse option that offers seating with pool views. And here is Claim Jumper, offering home-style comfort food in a casual, comfortable atmosphere. They also serve breakfast all day. Let's go inside and check it out. I was quickly seated at my table, and in no time at all I was feeling casual and comfortable. CJ is most popular for their home-style dishes, which includes chicken pot pie, country fried steak, and meatloaf and mashed potatoes. I ordered the original tri-tip dip. It's a French roll filled with slow-roasted tri-tip beef, caramelized onions, roasted pasilla peppers, provolone cheese, and a side of au jus for dipping, and Parmesan onion rings on the side. It was very satisfying and delicious, perfect for a hearty lunch or after a night of drinking. Now, before we go to the pool, I wanted to show you how to get to the Uber Lyft rideshare pickup point for the Golden Nugget. The designated area is on the second floor of the parking garage, which is located on the southwest side of the property. In the center of the Golden Nugget is the fabulous pool area. The best pool area in downtown Las Vegas, especially if you're staying with kids and family. It features poolside blackjack, a 200,000-gallon Shark Tank aquarium, and 17 private cabanas over 3 separate floors. There is also a 30-foot water slide that goes through the Shark Tank aquarium. At the time of this recording, the water slide was only open on weekends, so be sure to check the Golden Nugget website for availability. There are 2 pools at Golden Nugget. The main pool wraps all the way around the Shark Tank. Poolside drink service is available, or you can go to H2O Bar and pick up a signature cocktail or a bucket of ice-cold beers. For an adults-only pool experience, there is the Hideout, located on the 3rd level of the pool complex. There are cabanas and day beds available on the 2nd and 3rd level with elevator access to the main pool. My check-in experience at the Golden Nugget was fabulous. There was a lengthy line and it only took about 20 minutes to get through it. I booked the cheapest room at Golden Nugget, the Carson Tower Deluxe King. These rooms measure at 364 square feet but feel much roomier. I just love staying at the Golden Nugget. I love the classic Golden Nugget motif. And all rooms come with a 55-inch TV and a shower tub combo. Plus 4 large complimentary bottles of Golden Nugget drinking water.
That's what I call a quality tool.
There is a nice closet area with a safe and everything else you would expect to find. The room was clean, but however, there were sounds of wear and tear. The room had a western exposure, so the view wasn't much. It was mostly the parking garage, the rush tower, and the plaza there in the background. And here's a unique feature. The windows can be opened slightly. The bathroom is a modest-sized bathroom that comes with a shower tub combo and plenty of towels. And the dreaded mounted product dispensers. The bathroom was clean, but it too had sounds of wear and tear. One thing I do like is that the tub and the toilet are on the opposite sides of the bathroom. And there is a definite lack of counter space. However, there is extra vanity space provided in the main room. The Carson Tower rooms are the cheapest rooms at the Golden Nugget, and they are also the quietest. The noise from the Fremont Street canopy was barely noticeable, and I slept like a baby. And there is a Starbucks and a Chick-fil-A located conveniently right next to the Carson Tower elevator. Hey, thanks for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Watch more of my fabulous content by clicking one of these boxes. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.